You know what it is? I'm bored. And you know what a bored person like me do in my free time? Go outside. I'm in quarantine. Go do something. I can't. I'm actually doing something. Just read a. Shut up. Anyways, what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna do a model import, but this time a little different. Smash 3ds model importing on, you guessed it, the worst program that I don't ever made, Blender 2.8. Not gonna lie, this is actually the great program. Don't worry. I'm not being uh, being gunned down and say something about a lie or something. I don't know. Anyways, I'm joking about. Anyways, I'm doing this because I'm trying to at least improve or learn how to do this in learn how to do this shit in Blender. Because what I did to help Jules is that I literally just watch some videos on how to do unwrapping, watch some videos how to do parenting and stuff, and then I got it. I also asked some advice from the Pokemoning community, Pokemoning Discord server, specifically Emma Not Ava. You may heard this guy, also known as the guy who made shitty mods for Pokemon Sword and Shield that show on randomizer videos from some from some PokeTubers. Anyways, I can't talk. There's something in my mouth. So, anyways, without further ado, I have to download. So I'm gonna start doing model importing. Okay, that's the premise. And not only that, but I'm gonna example. All right, I don't know how to do Blender and shit, but that's at least the only thing I can do. All right, so let's go to and then let's select which model should I download. Model import. You know what? Never mind. I'm bored. I already have the file. I already have the models right here. So let's go zip file. Let's see. Nintendo 64, Super Mario 64, Mario Head. That's what I want. That's what I want. Now this is literally just me experimenting stuff. So don't try to follow what I'm trying to do. Okay? This is not actually accurate on what I'm doing. This is just me experimenting how things work on Blender because I have zero clue on how to do Blender and stuff. So, excuse me for not being that good, and excuse me that I did not make a good model importing video on Blender. This is actually your fault for just watch this video and say I have a problem like that, when in fact I just don't know how to do this shit. So let's go Mario Head. I'm gonna rename this. This is where I'm gonna put all the stuff from the zip file right here. Alright, so we're gonna start importing basically not importing since I downloaded the template earlier, so I'll just use the mario.blend template. And okay, this is bad. And what? Never mind about this. Never mind about that. I could just rename this and say, "Look, I have a material and shit." Let's see how to actually add material. Fuck myself. I don't know. Yeah, I'm not really that great in materials either. I don't know what I'm actually doing. Anyways, let's see if I can remember a thing or two. I think UV editor, and then I have to drag up this thing and then press the open image, and then this one is the hat, so I think this is the Mario body high texture. And no, it's not actually even showing. Okay, yeah, lettering. I don't know what did I do. I have no idea. Ah, I Like I said, I'm really bad at shit. Don't ask me. How about add new material? No, it doesn't even work. What are you trying to do? Add multi UV? That's not what I want. Now all I have now is Mario without the texture, and this is really embarrassing. Not gonna lie. Oh boy, how am I so I don't like really what reset the default value? No, unset copy online map. How about this? I'll just delete this. Unable to remove material slot in edit mode. Of course, I'm in edit mode. No wonder. It's not there. Okay. Delete this. Add this. Press new. Um. What do I do? Oh my god. Okay. What do I do? Like I said over and over, I'm not really good at Blender. And then you're saying that I'm suck at Blender. In fact, yes, I am suck at Blender. Then what's your complaint? Nothing. And what's the deal? Still nothing. Also, I'll get rid of this. Okay, you know what? I'll just start this, and then now on 2.7, if I recall, I all I did was to just select image, open image, and then hi. This is what I did in Blender 2.7. I think it changed in 2.8 or something. That's why. Nope. 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 And nope. What? Screw it. I don't know what to do. I'm just an idiot. Okay. You know what? I'll just leave it like this. You know what? You know what? Okay. So here we are. We have our mayonnaise. In fact, you know what? I'm not gonna I'm not gonna demonstrate using Mario Head as an example. No. So I'm gonna demonstrate something with bones. Okay, let's go with models resource again. Never mind the typo. I don't care. So I'm gonna search something that in my opinion, I just don't like every model that they publish in models resource. Some of them they just use Blender, and some of them just but oh my god, I don't know what to do. What the fuck? You know what? I'll just download the low poly melee. No, you know what? No, don't do that. There's no bones in melee. Okay. Trying to think something that have bones at least, and something that is not literally broken. You know what? I'm getting really tired of this because I'm trying to find something that is really useful for a little test run, but then nah. Oh my god. So tired after all I done. Hmm. Alright, fine. Alright, fine. You know what? Fine. That's it, fine. I'll just take Dr. Fire Mario. Whatever. Maybe no. Don't take Fire Mario. No, that's bad. Okay, I don't know what. thinking of which model with bones. My god, you know what? You know what? You know what? I'm done, okay? I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna import something from it. Let's see. Kirby. Um, Cook hat. I did not even dump this. Oh no. Mm, ignore the Aheago or the lewd pictures in the preview. Don't mind. Fine, whatever. I'll just choose Pikachu as an example. Fine, whatever. Fine, whatever. Fine, whatever. I'll take this Blender, import FBX, link, scale to 100, import. And I forgot the realization that, yeah, fuck Blender and their bullshit. So let's go with the this one and this one. I don't care if the model is not right, because this is what happened if you import a DIE from Ohana 3DS. So first I'm gonna, let's see if I can just invert. There we go. Okay, fuck. You know what? This is the plan. This is the plan. So I'm just gonna rename hat as to make things easier, and then no, I'll just leave it 0 degrees. How about that? And then I'm gonna go to file, import FBX, or maybe no, my god, no, it's not that. You know what? I'll just do this back once again. Open Mario Blend, and then import FBX, link. Why search FBX? No, DAE. You're right. So go to DAE, depth, and then oh no, the mouse is getting low. Okay, so there are two armatures. Right. So there's the Pikachu armature and the mayonnaise armature. So let's go deselect this. If oh, this is not. Oh my god. So let's deselect this, trash this. We have the hat. Good. And then do this. Let's rotate this to 90 degrees to make it things easier a little bit, because everything is 90 degrees. Okay, so now we have Mario. Now we have Pikachu. We're just gonna hide this. This is not delete, by the way. This, I just hide it. As you can see, if I make it appear again, Mario's hat is in 31. If I press H, it's hiding. Don't worry. Why you worry so much? Oh my god, can you shut up? Oh my. Anyways, let's go to edit mode, select all, position, and we'll just move the Pikachu hat a bit, and then we'll just have to scale it up. I don't know if there's an option or something where I can just scale it properly without changing the values here. Whatever. Oh my god, no. Okay, no. Okay, no. Oh god, no. Oh god, oh no. Oh god, oh god, oh no. Oh god, oh no. You know what? Fuck you, Blender. Fuck you all. So we're gonna give Mario a Terry hat. Bogardo Mario. And I just got used to. Oh my god, no! Alright. I just got used to 3ds Max. Okay, I pressed G. What? No, this is the worst. So here, I don't care if there's a hole, as long as we have Mario. Anyways, I think the hat's a bit too big. Yee. Hold shift. I don't know if holding shift works. But yeah. Here we are. Here we are. Here we are. Okay, I think this settles it. This is now what Mario looks like. Also, back to object mode. I just realized a thing or two that I learned. Normals, auto smooth, check. So I didn't know that there was an auto smooth option in in Blender, but it's really nice. But at the same time, it's really bad because there's still some parts that are still not smoothing out because fuck you. Let's go 60 degrees. No, this is worse. Okay, you know what? Screw the auto screw. Screw this. I'll just go to edit mode and hope to God there's a button where it says remove vertex doubles or something. Now where on earth is it? Select. That's mirror. That's view. Add mesh vertex. Okay, I think this is one. Edge face UV. You know what? Screw you then. I'll just leave it like this. I don't care about you. I don't care about your life. Fine. I'm sorry. Smooth vertex. Ah, that's bad. Okay. Merge so there it is. The merge vertices. Ah, okay. This worse. No. Dissolve. Okay, this bad. Set. Are you kidding me? No. And I'm really not that good. Oh my god. Where are you? Remove. Do I have to search again and find the answer? Yes, I have to search again and find the answer. Second, I'm planning to install an ad block because stupid models resource full of ads just keep making my video slow down. I don't speak English. Anyways, Blender 2.8 remove doubles.
It's 25 in Blender to mind the Blender 2 now. It may happen that you hit the problem that someday, and where are those? Your mesh geometry and mesh shading can be incorrect and it can lead to further problems if you don't tidy up your structure. The solution is to simply apply remove doubles and clean up your vertices. How does it work in Blender 2.7.9? If you have a mesh structure with overlapping vertices, go to edit mode, select all, press W and select remove doubles. You can search and press remove doubles in your toolbar as well here. Blender gives you the information how many vertices were removed in the top if they are within the vertices work to the function. Alright, and how does it work in Blender 2.8? Well, since yesterday. In the update there was a change and basically it was working here as well with by making a right click and there was the function remove doubles, but with this update there isn't this function in this software anymore and the new function is called merge by distance. So by pressing A for select everything and press right click, there is now the merge vertex function. Basically, and this wasn't the function.
Idiot. Alright, so I fixed the fucking vertex in just like what, 5 minutes? I don't care about the details. Who cares? So now we have a fixed vertex. Although this is a bad. There's a con about this. If you're gonna do this, by distance. First of all, you're losing all the edges right there in the obvious vertex edges right there. So you're trying. So by definition, you're making things a bit smoother entirely, not just the parts that are not smooth. Anyways, I'm fine. So next thing I'm gonna do second, since there's a big giant gap hole right there, I'm just gonna implement the hat. So I'm just gonna do this, duplicate, copy, paste. How do you duplicate something in Blender? I'm quite curious, because if I gonna duplicate this, oh my god, if I duplicate this, it'll create another armature, and that's not what I want. Select hierarchy. No, I don't think this is. Hold shift. Oh, I can just hold shift and delete this. I didn't know. Okay, so now this is gonna be like what, 31 mesh. So this is gonna be the hat for Mario. So I'm gonna delete this, and then the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna rename this into 31 properly. But okay, so now I have this next thing, and also this, the hat. Next thing I have to do is modify a little bit of this so that it can actually yeah, hold on. So what I'm trying to say is that I can just do this and that, and then edit this part. I could just no, my wrong selection. Okay, select this part, hold shift, select this part. Again, I suck at Blender. I'm certain that there's a shortcut that no one talks about, because they, oh, we're so good. Wow, shut up. Anyways, screw this. Okay, screw this. I'm just gonna select all of the edges right here. Yeah, this is what I want. This is what I'm gonna do. Oh boy. So my plan for making this demonstration video, and I'm very sorry this is a 1 hour, because I have no idea. I have no plans to make a Blender tutorial in the future, because I suck at this. And if you wanted to make your own Blender tutorial, go for it. Don't ask me. Don't even try. So now we have, okay, now of course this part 2 I have to get rid. Boom, and then boom. Is there a selection similar to 3ds Max where I can just select parts of it? I'm certain that there is, but no one is telling me where. So yeah. I think okay, it looks fine, and then all I have to do is just press delete faces. Now there's a giant hole. Don't worry, it'll get ignored, because this is a hat, not a hair model. So now we have this, and then all we have to do, UV map, diffuse UV, diffuse UV, diffuse UV, diffuse. You get the point. Also, I forgot to disable edit mode. Okay, so diffuse, bam. We got. Oh wait, no. Okay, shoot. So let's name this diffuse UV. Now you notice why it just not a Pikachu hat in the first place. It's because there are different types of UV map, and if you want to have multi UV, you have to have at least two UV maps and then two materials too. But for this case, no. Make sure if you're gonna merge two or more meshes, make sure their UV map is the same name, and then you can just control J. There we have it. And also the next part is I have to get rid of everything because this is pointless. And then, so first things off, I've learned a thing or two about the Pokemodding's Discord server. So, and also my own server from by Lyric, who also did Blender tutorial, but then he did not fully explain how the shit works. So anyways, so I learned a thing or two. So if I can add vertex group and then type head n, and then if I go to edit mode, select the vertex and assign, and then set the weight and assign it. And if you check waypoint, everything is all bloody. Okay, not all, not everything. My bad. Oh my god. There. Everything is now bloody red. Okay, so now we're all set. We're all good. We're all done. That's it. Shut up. Now we're gonna do this and then do this and then do control P, and that's not what I want. Okay, do this and then do this and then control P, and then armature deform with empty groups, and then there we have it. We just merge, we just now parent this mesh and now the armature. And if I go to post Malone mode, oh no, enough with the puns, enough with these jokes, enough with this shit. Now if I gonna rotate this, as you can see, the hat moves along. That's nice. So now we're finally set, and the next thing we're gonna do is UV map the entire thing. Okay, this is a big problem because I don't know how to do UV mapping. But before that, before you're gonna do UV mapping, first thing you're just gonna need a Pikachu hat right here, and then you're just gonna need a program, either Photoshop or Paint.net. But for the sake of people who don't have money, I'll just use stupid Paint.net. Now why is it stupid? Well, I'm not gonna lie, it's not really that stupid. It's really that fantastic. Sure, I'm not getting gunned down by someone else on my back. Don't worry. Now, anyways, here, let me explain to you a little bit. First, I'm gonna add this layer, and then I'll just gonna draw this. So let me explain this a little bit. So this one, and also I have to change the color because, fuck you. Okay, you did not have really good color. So first of all, if what I'm circling right here, this is the eyebrow texture, and the obvious is this one is the shoe texture, and the obvious is the overall texture, as in the overalls. Now, I'm no scientist, but I think this one is unused or something, because, or maybe not. I don't know. I don't know the full detail. Wait, hold on. Let's go this. Let's go this. Let's go. Yeah, it is unused. No one used it. Okay, and also I'm gonna open a texture body. So yeah, it is definitely unused. What a piece of shit. So I'm gonna just put down the UV editor a little bit. I don't know how to add textures because I'm not that smart on putting shit on Blender. Is there a way to add textures? Wait, hold on. You know what? I'm just gonna do a search again.
In this Blend Hammer, we model a brand new description. It's a beta also version many of the help to it. Look Dev. This is an easy way to get an idea of what the rendered hammer will look like before any lighting is set up. Next, click the handle to select it. Then switch to the Material panel and click the New button. The Principled shader should be selected by default. For the base color, instead of selecting a solid color, we're going to use an image. So click this small button next to the base color and select Image Texture. Then click the Open button and select an image.
Okay, now we have the texture. I'm such an idiot. Okay. Now first, let me explain this a little bit. So, like I said earlier, this is the mustache. I mean, no, this is the eyebrow. This is the shoe. This is the overall or the body. This is the gloves. This is the sleeve. And then the hair. And the mustache. And then the face without the eyes and the mouth. Without the eyes, by the way, because the eyes is a separate texture. And then last is the hat texture right here. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drag this Pikachu, open and then do this, and then adjust it right here, and then I merge it. This is right. Okay, this is the correct texture, so I'll just save it. So now here we have Mario texture, so now I can just delete this and then add texture. Okay, so now no, this is not okay. Hold on. Okay, there we go. New hat texture. So now the next thing we're gonna do is doing some UV editing. So now we have the materials. What I did earlier, I just deleted the extra material because If you're gonna leave that open, you're gonna create another submesh, which that's not what we wanted. So we have to get rid of it, and then so now we have the hat. Not sure if I final good thing. Okay, now why is that the good thing is because the hair texture is separate. Now I saw a video earlier on how I put this one on this one, but I can't remember. Now I press this arrow and it will lead me to these options: the position, the move, rotation, scale, and transform. Now what we want is transform, because this is way easier than done. So now we're gonna transform this a bit. Okay. And then voila, we got ourselves a Mario hat. Yay, a really good Mario hat. Okay, so now we have, and also this is a big. Okay, I think the other one is oops, my bad. Oops, my bad. Oops, my bad. Oops, my bad. Because I made a little mistake. Okay, let's type mayo hi, and this one. So apparently this one is not a hat texture, but oh no, let's put this here, okay, and then could just add layer, but nah, never mind. Alright, okay, I'll just do this. Or I could just extend it a little bit, and then bam. Merge down, save, close. This will update the texture a little bit. Of course, 3ds Max is better at updating things well, but Blender, no, never. So let's go back to edit mode, do some unwrapping. Okay, I think this is fine. Now we have a this is not fine. There's a little bit of there we go. So now we're done with this. Now we have Mario wearing a hat. Next thing we're gonna do is no, do Alt H to select all. I don't care about the materials. We're gonna do create another folder. How about this? This press enter, select SMD, press F3, type SMD, and then ignore that because it's fine. Let's go back to my A folder. How long have I? 14 minutes. I hope people already I hope people still continue watching this than just quit and give up. So let's go copy the SMD converter and also dump the CSV. Nope. This, delete this, and then let it convert. Right, so we got everything. And then I just have to get the APY, which actually it's mbm maker 20xx bone.py. I don't know why I typed that. Okay, we're done. Then open CMD. I forgot the BCH. This characters Mario body H00, and then the okay, and then dom.csv -n. Okay, looks fine. Then let's see. Okay, this is not fine. Okay, and then let's go to emulator. STMC Smash Model Fighter Mario. Create another folder, body. Of course, we're not done here yet because we're gonna replace texture with Ohana 3ds. Oh, yeah. PCH texture replacer, press O to open, and then BCH. Right here. And then the texture. Press save. It's already saved, so and there it is. Hat texture. The hat is right there. Okay, all safe and sound. Put here. And also, I forgot to HMBM Model Fighter Mario Body H00. Of course, I have to close it because this is just a demonstration and not actually a model.
Mario! Pikachu! Three, two,
Oh my god.
1, go!
Okay, that's one of my mistakes because... Yeah, oh no. That's not what I want. But whatever. But whatever. We got it working. We finally got it working. Mario wearing a hat. Okay, this is my first small import in Blender. Alright, that's pretty much it for this video. Alright. I hope someone is still continuing watching this, how to do this stuff. Anyways, enjoy watching this gameplay.
Oh!